Hi everyone! Today, I am reflecting on my personal journey with commitment and compassion. To start, I want to share a moment from my life where I felt a surge of strong emotions. Recently, I faced a situation where I felt overwhelmed by my responsibilities at home, at school, and in my work. In that moment, I felt frustrated and anxious. It was a real challenge for me because I wanted to do everything perfectly, but I felt like I was falling short. This moment made me realize how much my emotions influence my daily decisions and how I treat the people around me. This experience led me to think about what personal commitment actually means. To me, it is not just about following rules. It is a connection to my goals and values. It means showing up my responsibilities even when I don't feel like it. I remember a time when my commitment was tested, like when I had to finish a multiple task even though I was exhausted. And I choose to keep going because I value integrity. I've also learned that compassion must start with myself. Before, I used to be very hard on myself for making mistakes. Now, I realize that self-compassion helps me handle stress and challenges more effectively. When I am kind to myself, I find it much easier to be kind and patient with others. Regarding on decision making, I am learning the difference between an impulsive reaction and conscious choice. Often, peer pressure or high expectations from others can influence my path, but taking responsibility for my decisions means pausing to think about how my choices impact my personal growth and well-being. Based on these reflections, I am ready to make one clear commitment for myself. My commitment is to practice mindful pausing before reacting when I feel stressed. This commitment is important to me because it will help me to stay calm and make a better decisions. It supports my growth by ensuring that I am living intentionally rather than just reacting to the world around me. Thank you for listening to my reflections. This task has been a great step toward a deeper self-awareness to me. Again, I am Reniel James Isaranas and have a nice day.
You are my gold, my shimmering angel.